If you're struggling to grow your YouTube channel, sometimes you may actually think that the algorithm simply just hates you, but that is not totally true. The truth is that YouTube 2026 algorithm shift might actually be the best thing that has ever happened to small creators, only if you know how to use it. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that. All right, the good news in 2026 is that YouTube is making another big push for small creators, which simply means that it will be much more easier for your videos to be shown to more people and more audience. Yes, which means you get new viewers. And we've already started seeing this shift happen. And over the last years, loads and plenty of small channels are already popping up all over people's home fields, and they are getting much more view than ever. Now, here's the small catch. The difference between those small channels who are getting way more views and you who is probably isn't getting any view at all is the fact that those guys are triggering the specific signal in the algorithm and you are not doing the same. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how the algorithm analyzes your content, and then I'm going to break down the 5 main signals you can use to trigger the algorithm in your favor. First thing you need to do is when you upload a new video, the algorithm will immediately put that video into what we call a micro-phase test. Yes, because YouTube will never just blast out a brand new video to millions of people right away. Instead, it starts small and it's going to show you to your core audience first. Now, who are your core audience? Your core audience are basically just your subscribers who are your regular or returning viewer. Now, it will then analyze how this group of people react to that new video which you just uploaded. It's going to check if they actually clicked on that video. Do they watch it for a good amount of time? Do they actually engage on that particular video? If they do, that means it is a positive test, and then YouTube will now basically expand that test to your secondary audience, who are your new viewers. These are the viewers who are just coming across your channel for the first time, and these new viewers are those who watch similar content to yours but are not yet subscribed to your channel. Again, if your video still perform well even with the secondary test, then the algorithm will move it to the next level, even further than you can imagine, and start showing it to more and bigger brand new audience. Now, if you keep passing these tests over and over, that is when your videos can really start taking up and it will go off like a rocket. That is when you will see a single video will get like 100k views, 50k views upward. Definitely subscribers will follow if you have that kind of view. But if you fail any of these smaller test phases, then the algorithm will not push that video to the next phase of test. They will just stop recommending that particular video, and every single video you upload goes through this exact same process. So this is not about luck or hacks or how many subscribers you have. It is about proving through each test phases that this video which you just uploaded is good enough and it deserves to be shown to much more people. Test phases are brutal because over 90% of your videos actually don't pass the 3rd test. But the good news is that there is a 5 clear signal that you can use to tilt this test into your favor, and I'm going to break them down all in this video. So signal number 1 is riding on momentum waves. This is something most creators don't actually know that this exists. But basically, YouTube can actually give your channel a temporary momentum boost when your video performs really well. Now, this is what I mean. If one of your videos starts to pick up with serious speed, whether it is getting more views, higher attention, or it is getting strong overall engagement, then the YouTube algorithm may actually just give your channel a temporary kind of like priority. That means that your next upload will likely be tested more favorably in the next Microphase test. Because if you post a few good videos in a row, it builds a channel momentum, and the algorithm will basically assume that your new uploads will be as good as the previous one, and therefore it will push your newer videos out further than usual, because your successful videos have basically given your channel a priority tags. So whenever you notice that one of your video is getting some sort of attraction, or you post a brand new video and it does better than the last one, then what you need to do at that time, you need to make sure that you ride on that momentum waves. Yes, then keep posting new videos consistently after that one which gave you that views. Never let that momentum die at all. If you have any question on this particular signal or any other signal which I'm going to cover in this video, please just comment down in the comment section. I will try my best to answer all of them. Okay, so the second signal is micro-targeting. Now this one is slightly more advanced, but it is extremely powerful and definitely something you should be doing on your channel. So ever since the last update, YouTube algorithm doesn't just connect long form videos together in a chain anymore. It connects everything, including your shorts, your community list, your community posts, or your long form content. They are all linked together to form one big audience network. Now, this is what I mean. If people watch your shorts or some of them engage in one of your community posts, YouTube will then automatically associate those people with your main content, and it will basically start recommending your long form videos to them. Now, here is how you can use this signal. So what you need to do is that every single time which you post a long form video, make at least one short that is directly related to that long form video. I also suggest that you write a couple of community posts. It is very important. If you check through my channel, you will see I have so many community posts. Now, this is to keep my viewers engaged, to bring new audience to my channel. Yes, and the reason why you should do this is because anyone who likes or comments on your posts, now this will feed a signal to the YouTube algorithm that, wow, these people that are actually liking or commenting on your posts are interested in that specific topic, and then the algorithm will basically connect that interest and recommend your long form videos to their homepage, meaning that you're going to get more views from them. Now, that is really a smart way of creating like an internal traffic loop that keeps new viewers discovering your channel from every single direction. And now, before we move to the next signal, I will recommend that you clip your long form videos into different shorts. Yes, that is another great way to sustainably build your channel and make the most impact out of every single video which you post. Now, there's an AI tool that can do that for you. Yes, what you just need to do is to post your video on that AI tool, and it is going to clip your long form videos into various shorts. I'll probably make a video on that or drop the name of the tool in the pinned comment of this video. So the third signal is the session chain. Yes, now let me explain this. As we all know, YouTube will never just recommend any random video. It actually suggests video that it thinks will fit perfectly in a session check, because YouTube just wants viewers to stay in the platform watching video after video. So what they do is that they make sure that once a viewer finishes watching one particular video, the next video suggestion that YouTube will give that viewer must be perfect to be able to keep the viewer hooked and prevent them from clicking off from YouTube, because that is what YouTube doesn't really want. They want viewers to be hooked to the platform and watching as much videos as possible. Let's say a viewer watches a video from one of the big creators in your niche, then the person decides to watch your video immediately after watching that video in the big creator's channel. If they enjoy watching your video, then YouTube will notice this and the algorithm will send a signal that this person, wow, enjoys watching your video, and they'll start to pair your own video alongside those big creators' video more often. And this is what we call session chain. It is one of the most important signals that can really help small creators have their videos pushed out to the biggest creator in their niche. So to use this signal properly and to be able to figure out what kind of videos your audience watches, you need to go to your YouTube studio, click on your analytics, then click on audience. Then look at this section here showing the channels which your audience watches more and the videos which your audience watches as well. These are the exact videos your viewers are watching either before or after yours. So you need to study these videos by looking at the titles, study the thumbnail which that big creator in your niche is using, and make sure that your next video upload is going to fit into that same viewing pattern. And once you start doing this consistently, YouTube will start to recommend your videos immediately after those big creators' video in your niche. And that is what we want to get that visibility. So the fourth signal is about timing and trends, because when it comes to beating the algorithm, timing is very, very important. And every day and every minute, the algorithm is constantly scanning the YouTube ecosystem for content that matches your current viewer interest. So whether they are trending topics or seasonal events or viral keyword, what happens is that if you upload a video that ties into what people are actually searching for at that time or what people are watching at that time, then the algorithm is likely to test your content to those audience more. Now, for example, the video which I made on how I got 1,000 subscribers in 2 days, it is a very hot topic. Yes, it is a very hot content because people are actually searching for ways to get their 1,000 subscribers very quick. So that one video gave me the visibility which I need for my channel. But not only that, there's also the timing of when you post your videos. Yes, this can help your videos get the higher recommendation which you need. And that is why I made this video on the best time to post your videos on YouTube. So try to watch it so that you'll not be posting at the wrong time. So for the last signal, which is the leveraging topical authority. So one of the biggest shifts in YouTube's new algorithm is how it recognizes topical authority. Now, people usually call this niching down, but YouTube recently shifted its focus with this and has kind of changed it all. Now, what this means is that the algorithm is knowing your channel for a particular niche. For those that have not heard this before, YouTube now group certain creators together by subject matters because it needs to figure out what your channel is known for. So if you are into cooking tutorials, you should sustain that niche for a while because YouTube will know that, oh, this particular channel is for this particular niche. And anyone that is looking forward to cooking tutorials on YouTube, your videos will be one of the videos which YouTube will actually recommend to that person. So this is building channel authenticity, not drifting from one niche to the other or ignorantly trying to confuse the algorithm. If you are into cooking, face it, let it be cooking. If you know you want to go, probably you want to do vlogging or you want to diversify, what I would advise you to do is to open another separate channel so that once YouTube knows that, oh, this particular channel is all about YouTube growth, yes, whenever someone is searching for that particular topic, YouTube is going to recommend your channel to those people. So that is what you need to do. Make sure that you stay in your niche. This will help the YouTube algorithm to know your channel for a particular niche and type of content which you upload on your channel. If you find this video very helpful, do well to give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question, and lastly, do not forget to subscribe. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.